Most people get this wrong. They think the Chase Sapphire Preferred is only for hardcore travelers. But the surprising truth is that it's a top-tier rewards card that's perfect for beginners and experienced travelers alike. Here's how it works. The Chase Sapphire Preferred card earns 2 points per dollar on travel and dining, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. Points can be redeemed through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal for 25% more value on travel or transferred to airline and hotel partners for even greater rewards. The card also offers a generous sign-up bonus, travel protections, and no foreign transaction fees. The annual fee is moderate, but most users find it well worth it for the perks and rewards. Tips to get the most from the Chase Sapphire Preferred. 1. Use it for travel and dining to earn double points and maximize rewards. 2. Redeem points through Ultimate Rewards for 25% extra value or transfer to travel partners strategically. 3. Take advantage of travel protections, like trip cancellation insurance and purchase protection. Who should consider this card? Travelers looking for flexible redemption options, strong rewards on dining and travel, and excellent protections. Beginners can also benefit thanks to its easy-to-understand reward structure and valuable sign-up bonus. In conclusion, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card is more than just a travel card. It's a gateway to high-value rewards and flexible travel options. Subscribe for more tips and reviews to make your credit cards work smarter and help you travel further.